Assalamualaikum, welcome to our channel. Second year mathematics guest paper. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किए जा रहे हैं और इंशाल्लाह यही क्वेश्चंस जो है वो आपके पेपर में आ जाएंगे, चाहे आपका ग्रुप 1 है या ग्रुप 2 है। ये आप लोग फुली प्रिपेयर कर लें इन क्वेश्चंस को। तो नंबर 1 चैप्टर नंबर 1 है, इसके शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस मिक्स हैं, ये आप लोग नोट कर लें। नंबर 1, if theta is measured in radian, then prove that limit theta approaches to 0 sin theta over theta is equal to 1. And then the next is limit x approaches to 0, a raised to power x minus 1 over x is equal to log base ea. And then limit theta approaches to 0, 1 minus cos p theta over 1 minus cos q theta. Limit theta approaches to 0, tan theta minus sin theta over sin cube theta. Limit x approaches to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 over x is equal to e. Prove that n approaches to infinity, 1 plus 1 over n raised to power n is equal to e. And then find the value of m and n so that f of x is continuous at x is equal to 3, where f of x is equal to mx for x is less than 3, f of x is equal to n for x is equal to 3, f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 9 for x is greater than 3. Discuss the continuity at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 for f of x is equal to 3x for x is less than or equal to minus 2, f of x is equal to x square minus 1 for x is greater than minus 2 less than 2, and f of x is equal to 3 for x is greater than or equal to 2. Find the value of k if the function f of x is equal to under root 2x plus 5 minus x plus 7 over x minus 2 for x does not equal to 2, and f of x is equal to k for x is equal to 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2. देन हम देखते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 2 डिफरेंशिएशन डेरिवेटिव्स का जो चैप्टर है, इसके जो इम्पॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है। नंबर 1 है फाइंड प्रूव दैट y dy over dx plus x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square, and y is equal to 2t over 1 plus t square. And next, number 2 is find dy over dx if f4x square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus by square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Find dy over dx if y is equal to x sin inverse x over a plus under root a square minus x square. Differentiate tan square x from the first principle. Find the derivative with respect to x of sine under root 1 plus 2x over 1 plus x. Question number 7 is if y is equal to under root tan x plus under root tan x plus up to so on infinity, prove that 2y minus 1 dy over dx is equal to secant square x. And next, if tan y into 1 plus tan x is equal to 1 minus tan x, then prove that dy over dx is equal to minus 1. And 9 is, next is, if x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta, then show that a dy over dx plus b tan theta is equal to 0. And then show that dy over dx is equal to y over x if y over x is equal to tan inverse x over y. If y is equal to e raised to power minus ax, then show that d square y over dx cube plus a cube y is equal to 0, यानी 3 टाइम्स आपने इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है और फिर ये प्रूफ आएगा। If x is equal to sine theta, y is equal to sine m theta, show that 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 plus m square y is equal to 0. The last is differentiate secant inverse x square plus 1 over x square minus 1 with respect to x. अब चैप्टर नंबर 3 है इंटीग्रेशन, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है। नंबर 1, शो दैट इंटेग्रल 1 ओवर अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू नेचुरल लॉग इंटू एक्स प्लस अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी। एंड नेक्स्ट इज शो दैट डी एक्स ओवर एक्स अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू नेचुरल लॉग इंटू एक्स प्लस अंडर रूट x square minus a square plus c. Show that integral a square minus x square dx is equal to a square over 2 sine inverse x over a plus x over 2 under root a square minus x square plus c. And the next question is evaluate integral x over x raised to power 4 plus 2x square plus 5 dx. Evaluate integral x plus 2 over under root x plus 3 dx. Evaluate x plus under root 2. Evaluate under root 2 over sin x plus cos x dx. And then evaluate integral x cube cos x dx. And the next is integral e raised to power 3x into 3 sin x minus cos x over sin square x dx. And the last is integral under root x square minus a square dx. Number 4, fourth chapter is of introduction to analytical geometry. Number 1 question is find the h such that the points a h1 b2 7 c minus 6 minus 7 are the vertices of right angle triangle with right angle at vertex a. And then the next is if the two vertices of equilateral triangle a minus 30 b 30 find the third vertex, how many of these triangles are possible? The points a 4 minus 2 b minus 2 4 c 5 5 are the vertices of triangle find in center of triangle. And find the equation of perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points a 3 5 and b 9 8. And the next is the points a minus 1 2 b 6 3 and c 2 minus 4 are the vertices of a triangle. Show that the line joining the midpoint d of ab and midpoint e of ac is parallel to bc and de is equal to 1 over 2 bc. Find the equation of the two parallel lines perpendicular to 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 such that the product of x intercept and y intercept is 3. And the one vertex of parallelogram is 1 4. The diagonals intersect at 2 1 and the sides have slopes 1 and minus 1 over 7. Find the other three vertices. Find the distance between the parallel lines. Also find an equation of the parallel line lying midway between them. 3x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the line through the point 2 minus 9 and the intersection of the lines 2x plus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. Find an equation of the line through the intersection of x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 and making the equal intercepts on the axis. चैप्टर नंबर 5 इसका आप लोग 5.3 कर लेंगे। जो फर्स्ट 6 क्वेश्चंस हैं तो इनमें से ही क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा। और इनकी जो इम्पोर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस हैं 2-3 वो आप लोगों ने ज़रूर करनी है। चैप्टर नंबर 6 कॉनिक सेक्शंस। Number 1, write the equation of the circle that passes through the given points A 4 5, B minus 4 minus 3, C 8 minus 3. Find the equation of the circle passing through A 3 minus 1, B 0 1, having center at 4x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. Show that the circles x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0 touch externally. Find the length of the chord cut off from the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by the circles x square plus y square is equal to 26. Find the equation of the tangent drawn from 0 5 to x square plus y square is equal to 16. Find the focus, vertex and directrix of parabola and sketch the graph x square minus 4x minus 8y plus 4 is equal to 0. And then find the center, foci, eccentricity, vertices and directrix of the ellipse 2x minus 1 whole square over 4 plus y plus 2 whole square over 16 is equal to 1. चैप्टर नंबर 7 वेक्टर्स का चैप्टर है। इसका जो नंबर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, यूज द वेक्टर्स show that the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. And the next is prove that the line joining the midpoints of the sides of the equilateral taken in an order form a parallelogram. Find the number z's so that the triangles with the vertices a 1 minus 1 0, b minus 2 2 1 and c 0 to z is a right angle triangle with a right angle at c. Prove that the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle are congruent. And then use the vector method to prove cos into alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Prove that in any triangle ABC, C is equal to A cos beta plus B cos A cos B plus B cos A. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the plane A is equal to 4i plus 3j plus k and B is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k. Also find the sides sine of the angle between them. Find the volume of tetrahedron with vertices A218, B329, C214 and D3310. A particle placed by the constant force F is equal to 4i plus j minus 3k and 3i minus j minus k is displaced from A123 to B541. Find the work done. And the last question is that show that the work done is 120 units. सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपके साथ कंप्यूटर साइंस का इम्पॉर्टेंट गेस्ट पेपर शेयर किया जाएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।